Oh my goodness, we're out of toilet paper!
Who used the toilet paper? Did you use the toilet paper? Did you use the toilet paper?
Did you use the last of the toilet paper?
No.
There's only one solution to this problem.
Homemade toilet paper.
Homemade toilet paper.
The hose, like the actual hose.
We're making homemade toilet paper.
Oh boy. There's metal in there.
Why would there be metal in the shredder?
I don't know.
You want to make a mess? We're going to take some shredded paper. We're going to add some water. And then we're going to make homemade toilet paper. Woo!
Yeah.
Okay. See, look, it's already working. Just mush it and tear it into little pieces, okay?
I don't want to get my hands wet.
Hey, roll up your sleeves. Roll them up. My wife said we can't use the blender to blend this, so we're just going to have to do it manually. All right. My wife said we couldn't use the blender, but she didn't say we can't use the Black & Decker Power Pro. Oh my God! Power Pro, 250 watts, whatever this thing is. How do we do it? We want... This is cool. This is cool.
It's making a bit of a mess here, but
You see, the trick to making... Oh, God, I got it in my mouth. The trick to making good homemade toilet paper, you want to really break down the paper so that it turns into mush. Keep your mouth and eyes closed. I'm making homemade toilet paper. We're never going to run out now. Okay, good. Now we need to strain this.
I don't know what is explain this.
Oh. Okay, squeeze out. We gotta squeeze out all of the water.
You don't want to put your hands in there. No.
This could keep our butts clean for the gear. This is the final product that we have right here. We're gonna still need to get some water out of it, and then we're gonna go to step, I don't know what step, the next phase. Flattening it, then drying it, then trying it. For the next part, you need a rolling pin. Not salt and pepper, not salt and pepper. We're not putting pepper in the toilet paper. A rolling pin. Wax paper, people.
I also using this.
We're gonna flake it out. Now we gotta go like really, really hard. Okay.
I'm leaving.
Okay, the rolling pin was the wrong idea. We're just gonna flatten it with our hands. Yes, and then we do this. Then we use the paper towel to absorb some of the extra water. This is how you do it. And then you roll it with the roller. Yes. Yes. Not for use in conventional oven. That makes sense. Here we go. Non-stick protects it. Microwave safe. Microwave. Okay, we're gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, good. And then we'll put it for, geez, it doesn't have a toilet paper dry function here. Maybe pizza.
Yeah.
All right, it's kind of tough to see through the microwave. Oh gosh, do you think this is gonna work?
No.
It's pretty good.
I want to smell it.
Okay, it's not dry. You know what? We'll try it on Barney first. How was the grocery shopping?
I survived.
Where are your hands? That's alcohol, be careful.
Look at my face.
Did you get toilet paper?
We need toilet paper?
Nope. Come into the kitchen. It's homemade toilet paper.
It's beautiful.
It's all right. Slight change of plan. After having microwaved it, it's very damp. We're gonna go for a super slow dry, like 200. We'll go for 200. I'm gonna stay in the kitchen and watch it as it happens to make sure nothing catches on fire and
Burns the house down.
start. We are transferring now from wax paper to tin that we're gonna put in the oven at a low temperature for an hour to let it dry. So like this. This. It's pretty good. If this doesn't work as toilet paper, at the very least it'll work as a satisfying video. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right, slow dry for about an hour. That looks good. The project looks particularly good, right? we're gonna get one square out of this. Okay. Yeah, this is great. Okay, now we want to actually see if it works, but obviously we can't go to the bathroom to do this. So here's the plan. Got a tomato, and we're gonna use, just for the visual, so tomato,
Peanut
just
butter.
we're gonna put a little peanut butter just,
Oh my god.
just in there, just to see if this works. We just need to see if this works, okay? We're gonna take the toilet paper now, the homemade toilet paper. We're gonna, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, it works. It leaves a little bit of, so let's just take a second piece. We're just gonna wipe out the leftover pieces. So just clean out the extra pieces. And look at that. I mean, you'll need a shower after this, but the concept works, okay? The concept works. I think we need to get a little finer. It needs to be dried a little more possibly, but I'm gonna go give this a personal try.
Oh god.